Hello there. This one's been in the oven for a long time. When I say long, I mean long. This event happened in August, I think. And so yeah, it's just been sitting here on the shelf forever. Yeah, when life takes your time, it sure does. The event was hosted by a Chad named Porter, and it's basically based off the Far Cry 5 video game, if you didn't already get that in the title. The simple rundown is that a small team of deputies are attempting to capture camps from the Peggies. As such, you can either be at a camp under massive assault or a camp where mosquitoes are your biggest problem. The mosquitoes are my problem. In Porter's video of this event, he was in a camp under massive assault, so definitely check his video out. Links to his video and channel in the description and end of this video, and thanks to him for letting me use some of his footage for my video, so it's not so completely boring. And I hope you... Oh, wait, in case you want a more detailed explanation to the game mode, I'm gonna let Porter explain the rules in full, because I had no idea what I was doing once I deployed. Okay, I'm going now, bye!
The game mode is Far Cry 5, 2 teams, Peggies versus deputies. We started the game with only 4 deputies, and everybody else who showed up was a Peggy, and we ended up with about 25 Peggies total. The white area is the staging area, and that's also where the deputies started from. Peggies had 3 bases, purple here, blue, and then all the way up here was orange. The deputies' objective is to take out the outposts by popping the smoke bomb that is planted at each one. If deputies are able to conquer a majority of the outposts, they win. Peggies have 4 respawns for a total of 5 lives, and deputies have infinite respawns. Once a Peggy dies for his last time, he respawns as a deputy and fights for their team.
So I didn't get to hear all the... Alright, so the smoke bomb is how you kill the base. Obviously we don't want to kill the base, we want the base to be protected. That's our base, okay? See over here? See our little trip mine over here? Yeah. If the deputy can get up here and pull that and deploy that smoke, this base is done.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Foxy. I'm gonna watch from this angle so I can see better westward.
Oh, that's perfect. So, if Ducky hits anything this way, he's gonna fall back to either me or you, depending on where he's at.
Gotcha.
Just leave suppressive fire for him.
Will do. It's not a good angle from the fence here if I stay right here. But...
So you know we're gonna hear 3 horns, right?
Yeah, what?
You know we're gonna hear 3 horns when it starts?
Alright, cool. Sounds good. Is the red light on this?
It is not. Oh no, it is.
Alright, cool.
Yeah,
awesome. Thank you.
Absolutely. That looks like an AK because it got the tape on there too.
Yeah. It's Russia's invention. Innovation for the motherland. Yeah, so if I stay at this tree I can watch... Oh, this is wood. And then this
right
part's
here.
metal, yeah. I think.
Cool.
Metal or plastic, yeah. Maybe a mix.
Aluminum. Probably aluminum or a polymer.
Probably, yeah.
It might be coated with aluminum because it kind of sounds like it, and the fact that it's got scratch marks there from
Yeah.
doing this slugger switch.
I think aluminum makes sense, yeah.
I had a Aiden, is that you? Oh, Aiden. I think he was following me.
Okay. Me and my tail. Wait, can you see it in the shot? Game hasn't begun yet.
Alright, are we ready?
Just getting a feel for what I have to do because I have to kind of patrol this little area. It's gonna be interesting.
Alright, I'm gonna start the game. Air horn! Game on!
Game on!
Contact!
Foxy, if you hear a horn for help, I'm gonna have you two head up the road, okay?
Sounds good.
Come on, man. Hit!
It could be coming on a truck. That's the special thing about this mode. Hit! Hold.
Go ahead and hold.
Copy.
Go ahead, Ducky. Foxy, stay here. Send Ducky out.
Copy.
Run back.
Juggernaut, the kind of people laying down for friendly fire.
There's a gnat in my face too. Man, this game would be great to have radios in my squad.
Yes!
One of the first days I get to use my AK.
Hello there.
Again.
Hold up. Wait a minute. What the fuck?
Aiden, do you have a call sign? Do you have a call sign, Aiden? Okay. We'll just call you.
AD.
You got it? Alright, stay down. Aiden, if you see anyone coming that way, just shoot across the field.
Yep, I got you. Good so far. To your right, Ducky, is a friendly walking towards the enemy.
You guys see someone?
No, friendly, I see him. To my right.
Yeah. Cool.
Alright. Foxy.
Yep.
So uncomfortable. I don't want to call you, I just want to say Foxy Lady.
That's okay too. That's another nickname.
Alright, let's go ahead and come up here.
Okay.
We'll keep a field of view on that hill there. So
Yeah.
if they do attack the ladies.
Yeah, sounds good. You can also just call me Fox if you want as well. That'd be better for you.
Oh no, I like Foxy. I just
Okay.
I want to call you Foxy Lady.
Nah, you can't do that too. No problem.
Call me anything, but don't call me Lady.
Get engaging. They're still attacking the second post. Struggling against the Juggernaut is the problem.
Cover me, I'm gonna fall back.
Copy. In covering position.
Where's Fury?
No sign of Fury. Or 6th or 5th man.
Fury up ahead?
I did not. No sign of him. I think he went up ahead. Did they both go on hunting runs? Did they both go on hunting runs?
I don't know. I lost the first one a while back. Fury, I told him to go home.
Yeah. First one's probably flanking around.
There he is. Wait a minute. That guy's wearing an armband. Chris, you hear me? That guy's wearing an armband. Yeah. Why's he shooting at us?
Deputy. No, that's a traitor.
Do what?
He was asking if the deputy could use the horn to draw us in,
Ah.
which would be a really good idea, but no, we have to pop the smoke so we know that that's the move.
Can we actually see the smoke?
We should
Yeah.
be able to.
Well, there's. Do they have to? Do they put it near the base?
They do, yeah.
Base.
Oh, well, that's a lot more straightforward than I thought.
I thought it was like a smoke they had on them that they could just throw.
No, it's an actual, like, you just pop the smoke on the
It's like planting a bomb and detonating it. And you see the smoke from the explosion.
In the actual game, it's even they pop smoke when you're done.
Nice.
Where are they at?
That way.
What are they doing over there?
Killing people.
Killing people.
Alright, so they're still at the first base?
James, you feel like going on an adventure?
I got one life.
Oh, damn. Okay, keep it here.
My line is leaking too much. I gotta fix the thing before the next game.
Voices up ahead. There's a friendly taking a respawn. Yeah.
You someone?
No, he was just asking me the question. Yeah, that's a friendly. He's flanking around. Enemies are that way. They're not in my sight yet, but they're over the hill that way. That's where they're firing at our boys at the second outpost from. That might have been Fury. I think I recognize the voice.
What do you want me to do with it?
iPhone's ready. Put
Okay.
it back in the phone now.
Oh, that's a cool looking bee. Look at that bee right there. Over here. Oh, we were calling Foxy? I'm over here. Nope. Nah, yeah, I still think they're assaulting second base.
Did you ever get through first?
I don't think so. I think they've just been assaulting second base the whole time. Longo's the juggernaut. He's my friend. I've been hearing his gun going all day.
I heard it the first time, I can't hear anything now.
Yeah, it's because it goes silent on and off. They're flanking around trying to get multiple angles. Yep. The problem is I walked up there a little bit earlier, and if they wanted to attack us, they could.
Oh, absolutely. We're
Yeah.
wide open. This is one of the... This
Yep.
is like one of the places I go shooting. I know this area really well. It's pretty easy to flank it on all sides.
Oh yeah.
And we're up on a hill.
Yeah, I think they want a juggernaut first, though. I think that's the idea. They want a juggernaut to take out first point and just come over here and swarm us. Spotted our other HPA friendly. Good to know he's still around.
Pointing in a general direction.
Up ahead.
Left, right.
Up ahead, after this big tree, take a right and follow that path in. And watch out, there's plenty of enemies up ahead.
Here. That fire?
Enemy fire from there. HPA up ahead, that's HPA fire. HPA is straight up ahead over here through this bush. I'll cover your 6-way across the road.
Okay. Right up there?
Should be through that brush, that's where he was walking through earlier. Be flanking on the other side.
Should we be flanking on the other side?
I think so, possibly. Just let them know. They already know, but just double check. Back here. What are you doing?
I desperately need a water, dude.
Okay, no problem. Hand above head then. You're good. Yeah, you're good. Did they say 50 minutes left or 5 minutes left? Yep. I got no visual. I'm watching this side.
Yeah, this is the part where my camera died. So, you guys didn't miss anything! We found visual enemy contacts on the hill, but before any of us could shoot each other, the game was called. It's important to note that there was a second part to this game that took place later that night, but I had to leave early, my camera battery was dead, and it was night. How was I supposed to get footage? But yeah, that's the Far Cry 5 Patrol Simulator. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time in whatever I'm doing with years.